Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas worth decoration ideas. I will share you. So friends, let's start today video. The Christmas season is feeling here. A time for warm love, creating beautiful decoration that fill our home with joy. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a stunning Christmas vase that you can hang on your front door, above your fireplace, on anywhere you want a touch of festive magic. So grab your ribbon, some greenery, and let's create a little Christmas beauty together. Creating the base. Let's start with the foundation, the vase base. You can use a wire ring, wart, or even a simple foam circle. Today I am using a crepe win base because it give that rustic natural Christmas look. Take your green pins, branches, wire, and begin layering them around the wall is in one direction. Use flower wires or hot glue. Each piece keep adding. The entering is full of fluffy, like a winter forest walk in a circle. Adding decoration. Now comes the fun part, decorating your bath. Start with large items first, ornaments, pin cones, or even berries. Place them evenly around the bath so it look balanced from every inches. Then add smaller accents like cinnamon sticks, dry orange slice, or glitter. So fact these tiny details make your bath feel full of life and personality. Remember, there no right on or wrong way, just have fun and let your creative shine. Adding ribbon and bow. No Christmas bath is complete without a beautiful bow. Choose a ribbon that matches your holiday theme. Red for classic, gold for elegant, or a cozy farmhouse look. Tie a large bow and attach it to the bottom or side of your bath using flower wire. You can even let the ribbon hang loose for that soft flowing look. It's add moments and make your bath feel festive and cheerful. Finishing touch before we hang our bath. Let's add a little spark of a strip of tiny fairy lights around it to make it glow beautiful at night when the light twinkles against the green and ornaments. It's creative. That true Christmas magic. If you love a snow effect, slightly dust and the what with artificial snow or glitter spray. It's like bring a snow winter days right to your front door. Viewers and viewers, Christmas was the holiday season is truly magical. The twinkle lights, the cozy blanket, the smell of beans and cinnamon in their air in all just fill the heart with warmth, and there no better way it's bring the festive feeling to your home than with a beautiful handmade Christmas wreath. Whether you hang it on your front door to welcome guests above your fireplace or as a table centerpiece, a wreath in this perfect touch of holiday charm. So let's get started and make something beautiful together. Have a beautiful wreath begin with a salt base. You can use a wireframe, carabin rings, and even a from circle. I personally love using carabin because it already has that natural wonderland texture perfect for Christmas. Start by weavers. Your greenery prints or any winter foliage. You'll have cut them into small sections and begin layering them around the base, always in one direction. Overlap each branches to make the wards look full of following everything with flour, wire, or hot glue as you go. Don't worry about perfection. The charm is in the little imperfection that make it feel handmade and full of love. We were so, and just like that, your Christmas bath is very beautiful handcrafts and made with love. It's more than just a decoration, it's a symbol of the joy, creative, and warmth that Christmas brings into our home. When you hang it on your door, it's not just saying welcome, it's saying welcome to Christmas. Thank you so much for watching and spending this cozy crafting time with me. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive ideas for my home. To your may your days be merry, your heart be light, and your Christmas full or full of spark. From my home to your home, your days be merry, your heart be light, and your Christmas full of spark. Merry Christmas, everyone, and your viewers. So viewers, I the next video तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos. खुदा